How to delete all the notifications on YouTube. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application YouTube is up to date. Once you have the latest version of the app, open the application. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in here, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then click on this gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Inside settings, tons of different options will be visible to you, but you have to head over to notifications. You will be landing on a space. In here you can see all the menus or the options are turned on. In order to delete all the notification history, you have to turn off all of these options manually. Toggle off the button for all of the options that are listed here. Once you are done turning off, the notification will be deleted successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can delete notifications on YouTube. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.